Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. We're Saturday night. What the time we are? We're Saturday night. Yeah, I should know that. The 11th of October. I've been in this room in my office, as you all know, practicing my test for the incoming 14th of October. I've been doing so far studying hard around 6 to 7 hours per day. I have a lot of stuff to review, and I just finished another exam. I do usually two 100 question exam per day, usually, and today was one of the case, and I'm going post also. Let's go outside. I need it. Oh man, stick around. Yes, today we are a very nice day. We have 16 degrees Celsius outside, no wind. I just went outside during the lunchtime to take some fresh air, but a very nice dry fall. We didn't have any rain this week. I think it was Tuesday evening we had rain, but so far very nice. So yeah, 15 degrees, very nice. I didn't even light up my stove. I mean, wow. All right, stick around. All right, so like I'm telling you, it's very nice outside. The sun is about to go down. It's like I say, it's 5 o'clock, 1700. And last night, around, it must have been around 1900, I had an outstanding gentleman who already gave me a lot of firewood. It's the one I helped him, for him, how I sharp chainsaw. He lived about 25 minutes from here, and he had that firewood to give. So I pile it up like this. So I'm going to use my bandsaw to cut it. All right. So stick around. Picasso. Oh well, it looks like it didn't like my high cadence wood production. I have this since, oh my god, it was bought in 2004, I believe, even older than that. And I bought it second hand. I paid 150 bucks, but first time I see it, I will have to investigate. I was almost done. I had only Jesus, only 2 pieces left. Yeah, I had that piece here, that piece, and the one in the back. Everything was done. Oh well. Sometimes he was smoking, but not like that. All right, so let me investigate. Stick around. I was about to finish with my skills, my sawzall, and I realized that the line was not power, so I reset the breaker. And I'm glad the thing is turning, but I have a lot of sparks here, so I don't. I think the brushes are kaput. So I'm gonna open that later on after everything is done, and I will investigate maybe changing the brushes. It's easy to change. I have already the plus there, and there's another there, so we'll see about that. But the spark are on there, so I'm very happy. It's not the rotating shaft. As you can see in the video, this I learned that in the what's the name, I forget the name, Black and Decker house home improvement book, and how to take care of a electric extension cord. So I just wrote it like that, and I have that tips like many years ago. I remember making a video in Shepherd about it, and trust me, it's very easy. And here we go. Yeah, Black and Decker maintenance book. I have the ceramic, the general maintenance book. I have also the carpentry, how to build a house. Very nice to sometimes to just refresh your memory. All right, folks. Life is good. Cheers. All right, so that was a good. I don't know how many. All my batteries left, so it might have been more than 30 minutes of making noise because the sun's already down. All right, so that gave me a little bit more than 1 phase cord of free firewood. I have some end activities, as you can see. They're kind of frozen. Right now the temperature is 14 degrees, so yeah. So another thing to get fixed. But I'm very glad everything is done for this, and I'm gonna wood split it in later on this week. I just made a short video for you folks. I'm kind of busy this week. Priorities is having those my private pilot license written exam pass, and that will be done on the 14th, and I will pass it. Oh boy, I'm convinced. All right, so yes, take care of yourself. Thank you very kindly for all your standing support, comment, and let's share knowledge. Mike from Maintenance with Mike did an outstanding video about his lawnmower maintenance, fall maintenance. Very outstanding, nice tips in there, so take a look at him. All right, I will have his video description in my video box there. So thank you kindly, take care of yourself, and remember folks, life is very good. Cheers.